Hello my friends, this is Marietta Crawford and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some new products that I received, and the first thing that I'm going to show you is my Sephora plate.
Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see.
This month's box is called Beauty Scope. It has the horoscopes on it. The first item that I received is Stay Glace, which is this beautiful Bite Beauty crayon, and this is the shade. It's really pretty. It's a highly pigmented lip crayon. This is a matte cream, so matte creams are really my jam, so I'm gonna really enjoy using that one. The next one is Overnight Sensation, which is the Believe Aquabond Sleeping Mask. Leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. So this is something that I've never done before. The only sleeping mask that I put is my lip sleeping mask, which is my Laneige. And this is going to be the first time that I leave something on like this overnight. So Belief is really good. I do have their Aqua Bomb moisturizer, and I did have their eye cream at one point, and their products are very good. So I'm excited to try that out. The next thing is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid. It illuminates dull skin, smooths unleaving texture, visibly plumps fine lines, and minimizes the appearance of dark spots. So I'm gonna look this up and see if you're supposed to leave this on or what. Then we have the charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. This is the Solid Pro. And I do have the little pan for my other Solid Beauty Blender cleanser, so this is going to be very good to try out. I can't wait. My brushes really need to get cleaned, so I'm excited to try that out. I did get a Lala Retro Whipped cream, and this is one of my favorite moisturizers in the world. I love this stuff. This one and the Silk Cream Tatcha are my favorites. And very expensive, so I love getting little samples of it, because it's $60 for the big tub of this, and it's really hard for me to spend $60 on a moisturizer, but this one is worth it. It's really good. Alright, then the Morajo Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. It's a hydrating shampoo and conditioner that sets, nourishes with botanical oils and rich butters for luxurious, healthy looking hair. Hydrates hair, eliminates flyaways, adds volume and shine. So a new product for me to try out, which is good. That was the bonus. I'm going to set these aside, and the things that I received in my little Sephora haul was the Sculpts Smoothing Travel Kit Scalp Revival. I wanted to try the charcoal coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo for my scalp. My scalp needs a lot of help right now. It's like sometimes it gets flaky and itchy, and I need something to really get all the excess out. So I can't wait to try that out. I did receive a little sample of this. I'm curious to see what it smells like. This is really pretty. This is the Versace Dylan Blue. Ooh, that smells really nice. I have 3 perfumes on right now. That smells really good. Have you ever tried this before? If you have, let me know. It's really nice. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna have to buy that. I did get a free sample of the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, which is always nice to have because it's really good. I bought the Fenty Beauty eye primer. We're going to try out the eye primer today, and I'm going to put on a little bit of Murad Age Reform Invisiblur Perfecting Shield. I just want something to blur the pores because they're out of control. And the other thing that I received in my Sephora haul were the masks. I don't know if you've ever tried the masks, but they're really good, and they're only $6 each, so I'm excited to try these out. This is the pineapple face mask, grape face mask, and this one is the green tea face mask from gonna definitely try that out at a later date. And I've already tried one of them and I love it, and that's why I got more, because they're so affordable. It's $6 and that's all, and I can just use that. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Jouer concealer on my eyelids. The palette that I'm gonna be using today is my Born to Run palette. I'm gonna use Still Shot all over the lid. I really like doing little hauls to show you guys the new stuff, and then later on you'll see in my videos what I usually end up sticking with and what I don't. I usually do like empties videos that shows the stuff that I finished, and I do have a playlist for my empties videos if you want to check out past empties videos. Also, I'll do a review on the stuff that I'm loving on this channel. So if you want to check those playlists out, I have a whole bunch of playlists. I'm going to use Weekender and put that on top of the pink, just to blend it a little. Putting Rift, which is like a nice brown, all over the lid. I'm going to take Good As Gone, which is a darker brown, and just focus that on the outer edges, just to deepen up the sides. I'm going to take the fluffy side of the brush and just blend it in. Just stamping that on the outer edge and in the inner corner. I'm going to take the fluffy brush and just blend it in. I'm going to take another brush and use a little bit of the pink Still Shot and put it in the crease. Okay. Next, I'm going to take a very flat brush and take the Wanderlust green shadow and put it on the inner side of the lower part of my eye. Use a little bit of eyeliner. Maybe I should do Fenty Beauty because I'm doing Fenty Beauty. Did a very, very thin line. I'm using my Dior Show Lash Maximizer just to give volume and length. Tarte Lash Paint for the mascara. I can't complete this look without an inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight. I'm going to use Breakaway. Now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and start my complexion. I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. 2 pumps on the back of my hands, and I'm going to use a beauty blender for this. Fenty Beauty is my favorite foundation. I have recently found another foundation that I like a lot, which is the Natasha Denona Transformate. I got a little sample of it and I really liked it a lot. I put it in my loves list to get it. It's like $45, I think, for less than an ounce, so it's expensive. But Natasha Denona stuff is always expensive. It's expensive, but it's good. I mean, I love the way my skin looked at the end of the day after I used that foundation. I like matte foundations, but I like matte foundations that leave my skin looking a little bit more satin than matte. And a foundation that's buildable from medium to full, you know? Okay, I'm going to use my Jouer concealer under my eyes. I'm trying to be very precise because of my makeup. Let's see if this turns out okay. And I'm just going to use a little bit of powder. The It Cosmetics by Pore Pressed. I'm just going to dab it a little bit of that under my eye, just in case. Okay. So what do you guys think of this look so far? I like the eye look. I just like green eyeshadow a lot, and I didn't really expect to do green. I thought I was going to do a blue look, but I decided to do the green instead. I'm going to use my Kevin Aquan sculpting powder. This brush. This is my BH Cosmetics brush. I've been using it a lot lately. I really like their BH Cosmetics brushes. They're pretty and they work very well. And I think they're very affordable too. You should check out BH Cosmetics brushes. I got like a whole set for very cheap on a sale that I usually shop during the sales, and I do my Ebates. I have a referral link to Ebates. If you haven't signed up to Ebates, it's really good. Every time you go to, before you buy something, you go to Ebates, you find the store, you activate your savings, and they give you like 5% off, like 5% back, cash back, or 10%, depending on what they have going on for that particular store. So I save a lot of money. Sometimes I get checks of $20. You know what I mean? Like every 3 months they'll give you like a check with your money back. So if you buy with a sale, you get the sale money off, and you get money back from Ebates. So Ebates is awesome. Ebates, I use Ebates all the time. You should definitely do Ebates, and if you are willing to do that, go ahead and check out my referral link in my description box below. I'm just doing my Hulu bronzer. Today I feel like putting on a different highlight. I'm going to use my Hourglass Ambient Strobe. I haven't used this in a while, and you know what? I don't know why, because it's a really good one. Oh yeah. Ooh, Hourglass. I'm just going to put a little bit up here. For lips, I'm going to use my new Bite Beauty matte lip crayon. I'm going to try it and see. The color is not the right color for this. I do have it's this one. It's called Apricot. And this one will go good with that color that I have up here. Okay, so let me look and see if I put it on right first. Yep. I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. And for blush, I'm gonna use Peachy Love from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use the pink shade. So that completes this look. Oh no, I'm crazy. I didn't do my brows. I gotta do my brows. I'm using my Milk Makeup Fiber Brow Gel. Completes this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.